Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2002 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Standard. Electra Glide Standard has got the gray motor. It's 2002 model. It comes with a twin cam 88 5-speed transmission. This is a carbureted bike. Got an engine guard added to it, set of highway pegs. Wire spoke rims, got a good tire on the front. Front end looks good. The front fender may have a tiny little rock peck or two on it. Same with the fairing. It looks like maybe there's just a few little signs there of some rock pecks. Nothing major at all. Bag lids look good. Looks like it's got a little spot right there. Little paint's rubbed off right there where the bag lid opens up. It's got the factory exhaust on it, but it looks like the baffle's been taken out, so it's got a little rumble to it. Pretty decent tire on the rear. Got the docking hardware back here for backrest. Over here on this bag, it's got a couple of little chips in it. Bike's got good miles. 2002 model. Got a little spot right there on the tank. Big pillow top looking touring seat on there. Be good and comfortable on that long haul. The Electra Glide Standard doesn't come with a radio, but it does have the batwing fairing with the full instrumentation. It's got the controls here built into the switch housings for a radio, but they didn't typically come with radios. This bike has got 11,000, let's see if I'm seeing that right. Yeah. 11,182 miles on a 2002 model. That's just excellent miles. Got a tiny little spot here on the tank. I love that carbureted lope. Motor sounds good. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's good to go. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.